Subaru Repair, Costa Mesa. You're looking for a mechanic, where do you go? Francisco's Automotive. This is my garden, love my garden. So you own a Subaru, where do you go? Not too many people work on Subarus. Subaru, you gotta know what you're doing there. No wheel drive car. They've been around for a long time, but lately they've come a long ways. They're popping up everywhere. We even got a dealership right here in Huntington Beach. You got one, I believe, in Costa Mesa. You got one in Newport. The dealerships are popping up everywhere, and everybody's buying them. All-wheel drive car, handle really good around corners. But you got to know what you're doing when you come to Subaru. Actually, any car. Like I said, I specialize in electrical and air conditioning. I've been working on Subaru since the 80s. So if you have a Subaru and you live in the city of Costa Mesa, give me a call, 714-375-2661. Again, I specialize in electrical and air conditioning, but I do everything else. So we give you a ride home, we pick you up. Any automotive questions, give me a call. This is my shop. Take a shot of my shop. Now, it don't matter what the question is. You're going to buy a car, you're going to sell a car, you don't know what to do, where to go, you got a flat tire. You call me with any of your automotive questions, 714-375-2661. Thank you very much for watching the video.